Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. You know what time it is? It's shoe time. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let me cut on this light. Let it focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Colorway black, gem red, and muslin. That's the AKA the Air Jordan 1 Defiant. You can put the OG up there if you want. Got these shoes a while ago. A whole bunch of them. I recently was going through storage, so I said I might as well pull them out. Unload some, keep some. Shoe I think went up, so I said it's time. The materials on this shoe are like an all leather jacket type material. It's not a normal shoe material. It's all of the utmost quality though. It's top notch all the way through on this shoe. If you manage to be able to get a pair of these shoes, definitely do. Like I said, the price is going up slowly. I got a little bit of box lint on mine, but it's okay. I've been sitting for so long. I think these sit for like 2 or 3 years for most of them. Got some new ones coming in too, so if you're interested in the pair, make sure you check out my sites. I don't know how long we'll have them. If you stop by the shops, make sure you stop by too and check it out. All black, like I said, a leather type jacket material, like you were alive in the 80s. With the little red swoosh going around, look like a little paintbrush. The Defiant brush stroke, black on black Jordan logo. It's kind of like an eggshell or a cell bottom. Rear of the shoe. It's just absolutely outstanding, guys. Like I said, quality on this shoe. I don't know, a lot of people didn't buy these when they first came out. They were sitting. The price went down low, but like I said, now it's rising back up. Like I said, everybody must see the quality. Happy that I got my pair for wearing, my pair for staring. Just an outstanding shoe. Let me get you guys a little bit of tongue action. The tongue is in leather too, black and red. Just a red insole. Hope you guys can make that out. Give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your feet. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!